Hello, my name is Paul Cannell, and today I will be doing a presentation on assessing ESL reading, which it's about helping ELLs improve their reading ability. Teachers must use formative assessments because the summative assessments take too long, and it's just easier that way to use formative assessments. First on my list of like ways to do this, print checklist. It helps import. It helps to assess the development of concepts of print, which include understanding the difference between letters and words and spaces, and also knowing where to start reading and how to do a return tweet to continue reading the next line, and also understanding the basic features of book, which include like the title page. Next of assessments is running records. A running record is a visual recording of the student's reading word by word, and it enables teachers to identify which the errors that the student makes while reading, as well as the teacher should ask comprehension questions to see if they are really learning. Next is reading self-assessments, which the students do themselves. This just helps the students understand more what they're getting wrong and how to become better readers themselves. It also makes, next is talking amongst themselves. I just think group talk together can help students understand where themselves and others are coming from. You may be able to the next one is to put them to work, which is you can use like experiments or art projects to help them understand why they had to read something and what to do. And that's just telling their own stories. ESL students, like all other language learners, have a larger receptive vocabulary and productive vocabulary. We all understand more language than we can produce. Assessment across passages may provide a better read on students' comprehension abilities to look at the improvement in their reading comprehension. Reading response notebooks is like a strategy for younger people. They just take notes on what they read. It could be quotes from the story, or it could be just questions. Gestural assessment is like thumbs up or thumbs down if they know, or just to understand if they knew the reading, just like a thumbs up. Open book assessments. These are used to help test the ability of a student who has like the general capability but just needs wording. Previewing is a strategy that the students should know how to use because it's to sense what the test is about. So the students need to know what the test is about, so they preview it. Contextualizing, it's also helpful for students to learn to place the text within a context. Is to help the use of language for real communicative purposes. Visualizing, some students, especially those who are visual learners, need to see the information, and this can help them understand the text better, as well as just creating an image in their mind. Asking and answering questions. What questions come to mind when you preview an article or passage? These help you to better understand the text and to better use the text to their advantage. So in conclusion, you can assess ESL learners with reading assessments in various ways. I really know very little on this topic actually, and I just hope that you understand a little more about assessing reading, and I hope that I did an alright job of explaining some of these. 15 seconds is really fast. thank you for watching, and thank you for teaching me about English language learners. Thank you.